Big downhill coming up in a minute. And then it's those final 1.2 Ks, steep to the finish. He's got to save every last little bit of ounce of energy, because it'll be a different ride to the one where he's been able to settle in and sit in that fixed position, Adam. He's going to be fighting the bike and the gradient all the way to the line.
He is, yeah, and this is the recovery that he needs, you know. 67 Ks an hour, 65 Ks an hour. He's going quicker. When you look behind him, McNulty, he's got one job: get into the bottom of this climb, get over the top, just go full gas down this descent. For this man, this descent is about recovery, just letting those legs have a minute. And here we go. Foss now coming towards the front. There was chats behind from Rodriguez, but this is what they needed to do. And look at Almeida now. You mentioned the positioning before. He's on his own. You can see them coming. If he was near the back, Thiago was right towards the back of that group. So there he is, just slopping on the wheel of Hindley by the looks of things. Bilbao on the wheel of Thiago.
Hindley, the only rider left for Red Bull Bora Hansgrohe. This is where it goes uphill. Just over 1.2 Ks to go. 27 seconds of a lead then for Ivan Romeo, who starts his climb to the finish. 1 kilometer to go through the red kite. And it's a first professional win that's on the cards here for Ivan Romeo. Can he hold on? Because behind they're chasing him. And they're chasing him perhaps quicker than the timing suggests. It's a big move from Tobias Foss. He's got Arensman, who's on his wheel. Arensman will now go. Rodriguez will let the others chase him. And Teeman Arensman himself is looking for it. Piganzoli looks to chase. Trying to do the same behind his Cepeda. Castrillo's there as well. It's Castrillo, in fact, who's on the wheel of Piganzoli. This is Romeo.
It looks like an all-in effort as well for the likes of Carlos Rodriguez from the Ineos Grenadiers. Arensman opening it up this early. This is not an effort that is just going to go all the way to the line. It's a hard effort that's stretching things out. So it looks like, let's go all in for Rodriguez here. Let's go for that stage win.
Rodriguez sits on the left-hand side at the back wearing the white Best Young Riders jersey. Arensman has given absolutely everything there, but it slows up a bit again here. Yeah. And they're looking around.
Ivan Romeo, this is playing right into his hands. That gap will have come down to probably 17 seconds, 12 seconds, maybe at a push, maybe not that much, but that gap will have come right down. So this playing that they're doing now is perfect for this man.
Gradients of 7-8% to the line. And Romeo's taking them on with the best of his ability. He's halfway up that climb now. Looks around. Will he see them? I'm not sure. He's got to look ahead. He's got to give everything, because 500 metres to the line now. And McNulty's back for more as well.
McNulty, I mean, man of the match today for controlling things for Almeida. That guy is just like a Duracell bunny. And this man, what a ride.
Is he going to have it?
Yeah.
Ivan Romeo, with the line almost in sight now. He's been fighting it out for 4.5 hours, and he now thinks he's done it. A world title, a rainbow jersey in the under-23s last September. And now it's going to be win number 1, it seems, as a professional. Movistar have done it. And here it comes. A Spanish victory on day 3. The day they remembered everything that had happened in this region in the autumn. And everything that's happened today is the birth of a new Movistar. His name is Ivan Romeo. He takes the stage win, and it's a battle for the bonus seconds behind. Thiago there taking 2 back, but it looks as though, if all the sums are correct, that João Almeida will just about be the new